In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Shopping feed for your Shopify store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your products connected to Google so they can start appearing in shopping results and driving more traffic to your store. I'll go slowly and explain why each step matters, so you can follow along even if this is your first time doing it. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin on your computer. It's much easier to set this up on a desktop rather than a phone. From your Shopify dashboard, look for the Apps section on the left-hand side. This is where we'll add the tool that sends your products to Google. In the Apps area, open the Shopify App Store and search for the Google channel or Google and YouTube app. This is Shopify's official integration with Google, so it's the most straightforward option for most stores. Once you find it, click to add the app to your store and then confirm any permissions Shopify asks for. This simply allows the app to read your product data and send it to Google. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to connect a Google account. Use the Google account that you want to use for your business. After you sign in, grant the requested access so Shopify and Google can talk to each other in the background. Next, you'll connect to a Google Merchant Center account. If you already have one, select it from the list. If not, there should be an option to create a new Merchant Center account right inside the app. Follow the prompts, making sure your business name, website URL, and country are correct. This information helps Google know who you are and which customers to show your products to. Now we'll set up your product feed. The app will usually let you choose which products to sync. All products or only products in specific collections. If you're just starting out, syncing all active products is usually the easiest choice. Take a moment to check that your product titles, descriptions, prices, and images in Shopify are accurate and clear. Google will use this exact information in shopping ads and listings. You'll also need to choose your target country and language, and set tax and shipping settings. If you already have default shipping rates set up in Shopify, the app can often pull those in automatically. Just review them to be sure they match what you actually charge customers. Once everything looks good, confirm to start the sync. Your products will be sent to Google Merchant Center for review. This review process can take some time, often up to a couple of days. During that period, Google checks that your products follow their policies and that your website is working properly. You can come back to the Google app in Shopify or log into Google Merchant Center to see the status of your items. If some products are disapproved, don't panic. Click into the warnings or errors, read what Google is asking for, and update the product information in Shopify accordingly. Common fixes include adding more detailed descriptions, using clear images, or making sure prices and availability match what's on your site. Once your products are approved, your Google Shopping feed is officially set up. From there, you can move on to creating campaigns in Google Ads, or take advantage of free product listings if they're available in your region. Remember to periodically check Merchant Center for new issues and keep your product data fresh and accurate, so your shopping performance stays strong.